I'm meteorologist Mark Torello with this Watertown Weather Watch update going into a Monday evening. Our weather is going to be a little unsettled here for the next couple of days with some rain, some snow shower activity, even some sleet cannot be ruled out. And that may make for some icy roadways at times, especially those untreated roadways. Looking for warmer weather, you're going to have to wait for the weekend. Looks like by then we'll see our temperature readings closer to 50 degrees, but for the balance of this week, our readings will be below normal for this time of the year. Well, here's our time lapse from Lake Pelican on this Monday. Rather dreary outside, a lot of low cloud and fog, lowering the visibility for a Monday morning. And then by the afternoon, visibility not as bad. So that fog beginning to lift, but still lots of clouds looming, making for a cloudy start to the work week. Well, here's a look at the low temperature readings from this Monday morning, starting off in the low and mid 20s locally. High temperature readings by mid-afternoon. We're right on the edge of somewhat warmer weather, as you can see. Most locations locally getting into the upper 30s and low 40s, but that real warmth reserved to the west with readings close to 70 degrees across western South Dakota today, at least getting into the 60s for Rapid City. Clouds and radar into motion over the last several hours. You can see that extensive cloud cover across our local area, including places like Watertown, Hayti, Clark, and Webster. Looks like these clouds will basically stay put as we head into the evening hours of tonight. Looking at the future radar, we do bring in that wintry mix of weather starting for tomorrow. Some rain showers, some freezing rain, some sleet, and some wet snow. However, it does look like any accumulation will be minimal, basically a slush accumulation as we move ahead over the next couple of days. That accumulation should stay under 1 inch. Okay, let's talk about the forecast in detail. First of all, for a Monday night, a mostly cloudy sky, southeast winds at 15 miles per hour, and low temperature readings right around 30. Now for your Tuesday, it's a wintry mix of rain, freezing rain, sleet, and wet snow. That could provide us with a slush accumulation. Southeast winds up to 20 miles per hour, and high temperature readings topping off near 38. We'll do it again on Wednesday. Some rain and snow shower activity with highs approaching 40. Again, any accumulation will be minimal. And then a reinforcement of cooler weather by Thursday and Friday with highs only in the 30s. We'll begin to see that recovery temperature-wise by the weekend, though. We'll get close to 50 degrees for your Saturday and Sunday. Could be a brief sprinkle here for the second half of the weekend, but right now, not looking too impressive when it comes to storms in our extended forecast. I'm meteorologist Mark Torello. That's my latest forecast for now.